an image we have taken, but we have changed the different styles of it, so making the designs around it. Still we have to make the changes. I will use the designs, explore the more option using a structure. Again I will take that design to explore here. I will use the history brush tool to remove the changes and get results here. That's the image actually we have found here.